This was the first company I applied through VanHack, and it was going to be my first interview with a Canadian company. After the screening round was over by VanHack, they forwarded my profile to the company who was hiring for QA automation engineer profile, and they shortlisted me to take an online interview. So the hiring company has already informed VanHack that how the candidate should be ready with their laptops and whether they need a notepad or an ID to run the code and show the results. So the VanHack has conveyed same message to me, and I was ready with my laptop with an IntelliJ IDE. The first round started with my introduction and few questions about what I have worked till now. Immediately after that, the interviewer asked me a programming question where if a user enters any string, so I need to print out all those characters which were appearing immediately after a fixed value of character. I requested her to allow me a minute to think about my answer, and then I can share my solution with her. So once I was ready with my answer, I explained how I should be approaching to find the solution. So she asked me to write the program for it and show me the solution. So I started coding on my laptop, and once I was complete, I explained her how was the approach and how the program flows, and after that I passed all the strings to get the desired result. She was happy with my program, and she started by asking another question, and that was on Selenium, where she wanted me to execute a test on a travel booking website and I need to book a ticket. She explained me what are the steps I need to do during the whole test, and I started by writing all the tests and finding the XPath or by IDs, and then I was able to execute the test, and she was done with this. So it was kind of a perfect interview from my perspective, and I was very happy that I have performed well. And then I was waiting for the second round, and within few days I got the result of first round, and I need to be ready for the second round. So the second round was also a technical interview. The interviewer started immediately with a couple of programming questions. These questions were also similar, where I need to play with an array of integers and I need to get certain result. So I started my program on my laptop, and once I was done, I explained him my approach. He asked me to enter a few inputs and test the program. So I started with few of my inputs, and it was working fine for some test cases, but it failed for a particular set of test data. So I was trying to figure out what caused my program to fail, and I was trying to improve it, and it took a while. So interviewer asked me to leave that and move to next questions. Other questions he asked about my automation framework and how we were executing the code and how we were sharing the results with the team. He asked me to explain the framework in more detail, and wherever he had any questions, so he was asking me. And that's it. My second round was over. उसके बाद मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा था. मुझे बहुत कम उम्मीद थी कि ये राउंड क्लियर हो पाएगा, क्योंकि few of the questions I didn't answer it that well. And after some time I got the result that my second round is clear, and I should be ready for my next round, that is a managerial round. And in my managerial round there were no technical questions, and he wanted to know my management skills, and all the scenario based questions were asked. He wanted to know more about me and how I approach to a solution if I have any problem in my professional career. I was able to answer most of his questions, and at the end he asked me whether I have any questions for him. So I asked a couple of questions. Here my managerial round was over, and I had to wait around 2 months to get the result, and I was selected for the HR round. And before the HR round, VanHack scheduled a call and explained how the process is in Canada and how the company hires a candidate. In HR round there were no much questions. It was just your salary discussions, your notice period, and how soon you can join, and a few questions about my family background and all. He also asked me to get a confirmed date when I can join. So I asked him a couple of days to get this information from my current company, and once I was ready, so I sent him the mail, and soon after that they sent me the offer letter with the agreement. So I had to sign agreement online. Once I got the offer letter, VanHack immediately started my work visa process, and in a call they explained me what are the documents I need. So I got all the documents ready for the work visa application and I applied for my work visa. So that's it about my interview experience, and in other videos I will also try to share the questions that were asked to a developer and who applied through VanHack, and I will try to get all the answers for you as well. So thanks for watching this video.